Yeah, I think it definitely solves this. It's not fair if some kids can go to school because their families, but I have enough money.
That's true. But do you think making education free everywhere is realistic? Some countries struggle with funding.
It's definitely a challenge, but I believe governments thought curricular education, budgets, and investment for the future better education meant better jobs and a stronger economy.
Good point. Do you think free education affects the quality or just the accessibility?
Mm, Accessibility is the first step. After that, quality is super important too. If the schools don't have good teacher or especially free education would help most.
Right, so what else do you think makes education free for everyone hard to accomplish?
This morning, I think there's also the issue of actual entries in remote areas. Sometimes schools are far or workers don't raise from wagons.
Yeah, infrastructure can be a real barrier, especially in rural places. What about online education? Does that help?
It can help a lot, especially now with all the technology, but we still need really internet and basics with many people don't have yet.
True. So overall, why do you think free education is such an important topic?
Because education opens doors. It helps people improve their lives, break the fear of voting, and build better communities. Everyone deserves that chance.
I totally agree. How more people and governments realize that soon. Thanks for sharing your thoughts.
No problem. Glad to talk about something so important.